In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how servers someone is in Discord. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to enter on all servers that you can enter, okay? All servers that you want to see if you are friend is. So for example, if you want to see if your friend is on League of Legends Discord, you first need to enter on League of Legends Discord. Okay, so enter on this servers that you want to see if your friend is. After doing that, come on your friend, right here, you click with the right button, click profile, and click on Moodle servers. Then you will see all servers that you are and that this person is also. So by here you can see all servers that this person is if you are on this same server. So I recommend you to see, for example, if you want to see if this person is on a specific channel, you need to enter on the server, and by here you can see. I hope I help you how to see how server someone is on in Discord. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive its footsteps.